I'm Dr. Deepti Sinha, Lead ENT Consultant, CK Birla Hospital, Punjabi Bagh. Every year in the winter season, there is an increase in the number of patients attending ENT OPD with the complaint of cough, cold, fever and flu-like illnesses. This is due to viral infection. Viral infections, if left untreated, can lead to sinusitis, pharyngitis or laryngitis. They can even involve your lungs. So how to protect ourselves from these winter illnesses? First of all, wear warm clothes, including cap and muffler during windy weather. On days when the pollution levels are high, wear a mask. Do not exercise outdoors on these days. It is not recommended to do morning walks in winter weather because that is the time when the pollutant levels are at their highest. We can improve our immunity by taking fresh fruits and vegetables which are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Drink plenty of water, stay hydrated. If in spite of all these measures you still fall sick, then you must isolate yourself, wash hands frequently, hydrate yourself well and take home remedies like steam, gargles and paracetamol for fever. If you do not recover within 48 hours or if you are experiencing symptoms like high-grade fever, chills, severe body ache, severe muscle pain or any difficulty in breathing, you must visit a doctor near you. In winter season, eat healthy, stay happy. Thank you.